Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 23 is January the 23rd and it is a Sunday. Today I have done nothing that is trading related. We were out, the sun was shining. Now it is snowing, again. But trading is not about winning gold medals. One of the best swimmers is Michael Phelps. He broke several world records and took part in international swimming events for over a decade. Albert Einstein is known as the creator of the theory of relativity, and he won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Now think about all the time both men needed to invest to do their exercises in swimming and thinking. I don't know what would happen if somebody would decide to send Albert Einstein to the Olympics, but I doubt that he could beat Michael Phelps in the water. And probably Michael Phelps has never considered winning the Nobel Prize in any science profession. If you want to become good at anything, you already know that you need to train and invest the time it takes. According to the book, Outliers, written by Malcolm Gladwell, the time you need to invest to become a master in any topic is 10,000 hours. The 10,000-hour rule is based on a study from Anders Ericsson, a Swedish psychologist who is an expert in the topic of expert performance. If you want to learn the piano, you need to do regular exercises. If you want to become a good runner, you need to run on a regular basis. It doesn't help to play the piano just once. And it doesn't help that you already know how to run. You need to do it, again and again, and improve your skills. But when it comes to trading, most people think that they can skip the exercises, because their broker doesn't demand it. In fact, your broker makes good money with rookies who think that they can trade like world-class champions. I have gotten emails from people who were convinced that they have the best system in the world, and they have made their decision based on a handful of trades. I don't even consider something with less than 1,000 trades to be a system. I have seen systems fail after over 10,000 trades, so I am careful with what I do. Most people are security-oriented, they never would drive a car with their eyes closed. But when it comes to trading, they think they can do it without any practice. They just look at a few candles, make a decision and trade huge amounts of real money, because they think it is the right thing to do. That is like learning to juggle with running chainsaws instead of balls. A big loss is what happens sooner or later, and now they can't believe it. But when you think about it, you probably have spent years in school. Your teacher started with simple and basic things, like learning the alphabet. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. So what do you think? Would you be willing to accept some failed attempts to finally improve the result? Let me know. If you have any suggestions, just send me an email. Thank you for your attention and best regards from now rainy Germany, Raymond Bauer.